One of the biggest trends in the market over the past couple of years has been the growth in alternatives. They are the focus of the iConnections conference in Miami. Kaitlin Malin is COO and joins me now. It's nice to see you. Looks nice down there.
Yeah, it's nice down here. A little bit of a breeze. Good to see you, Scott.
Can you give me an idea of who exactly has gathered there and what you hope to accomplish?
Yeah, this really is the iConnections Global Alts Conference has become the place to be if you're in alternative investments. We are an index for the alts industry. We've got about 60% on the hedge fund side. Another 40% of that is a liquid strategies, and there's 1,000 funds. Overall, we've got 6,000 people and then another 1,200 investors, and that's half institutional and then half family offices, fund to fund. So you're seeing every little bit of the industry here.
Where are we, do you think, in the evolution of alts as individual investors should be thinking about them? They certainly are all the rage. On this program, we talk about it all the time. Some would suggest, are we at peak alts? How would you answer that?
Yeah, I mean, if you're down here in Miami, it certainly does not feel like we're at a peak. The room down here, 6,000 people, is absolutely buzzing. We have an industry who's excited. This event in particular, if you're down here, it's not just the fund marketers who are looking to raise capital, it's the investment decision makers, the portfolio managers. We obviously have a bumpy week in terms of market commentary, and everyone's here talking about that. So I think that we're just at the beginning with alts. It's continuing to grow, and everyone's excited.
If there's one, I guess, risk factor that, we've been thinking about, and individual investors need to think about, too, alts are not like regular equities, right? They're, for the most part, illiquid. Not easy to trade in and out of private equity and hedge funds and the like. But you're seeing growth in another part that, in fact, is liquid alts. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, definitely. Down here we have across, like I said, we've got 60% of the funds that are here are on that illiquid side of the strategy. Collectively, across everyone who's here, it's representing $55 trillion in assets. In this week alone, we'll host 20,000 meetings. And after this conference, 10 trillion of that will likely exchange hands because of the event. So liquid alts is a huge part of that driver. I think that we're going to continue to see interest there because as the market opens up, as people start to see a more flexible regulatory environment, liquid alts are just a big part of what they want in their portfolio.
It's good to catch up with you. Enjoy the conference. We'll see you soon.